Hi everyone, Grandma Lou is back. We are making a multi-bean soup today, highlighting a bean soup that I got from the Gee Creek Meal at the farmer's market. And this bean soup mixture has pink beans, black beans, pinto beans, red beans, and white navy beans. I'm actually doing a quick boil so that the beans don't have to soak overnight. I'll let them boil for 1 to 2 minutes and then let them go into a slow cooker and cook. We're going to add a cup of the cut onion as well as a cup of diced carrots and diced celery as well as the diced tomatoes and 4 teaspoons of garlic. We're going to add 5 cups of water with our 5 teaspoons of the Better Than Bouillon for our vegetable broth. We're going to add a bay leaf and then 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning as well as some salt and pepper. And then once the beans have cooked in the slow cooker, we'll add our plant-based sausage. So we'll come back. All right, so we are back. I have drained our beans after they have boiled for a couple of minutes, and I've added them to 5 cups of vegetable broth that we made with our Better Than Bouillon seasoning. I added everything to the slow cooker. I've also have added, along with the beans, we are now going to add the onion and the celery, as well as the carrots and the garlic. And again, that was a cup of each cut and chopped and 4 teaspoons of garlic. And we're just going to stir that up. And then we're going to add the can of the diced tomatoes. And the diced tomatoes that I have also have onion and celery, as well as green peppers. So even more flavor. And then we're going to add the Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons. And again, just stirring. And we're going to add a bay leaf to cook as well. And the beans will cook overnight. I have them on a high setting. There's a warm, low, and high setting on my slow cooker. And so I'll let them cook overnight. And in the morning, they'll be done. So I'll put the bay leaf in there, and then I'll just sprinkle a little salt and pepper, and I'll do the taste test in the morning if I need to add some more. Just stir it up. And then we'll saute the sausages, the vegan sausages, and add them at the end. So we'll be back. All right, everyone, our multi-bean soup has finished. It's cooked overnight, and it's looking so good. And now we're going to cook our Tofurky plant-based sausage. Beer brats, allow them to brown, and cut them up. The Tofurky sausage have browned nicely, so we're going to go ahead and put them over here so we can chop them up. And I let them cook in about a tablespoon of olive oil, and they browned in about 5 minutes. So I let them cook for like 3 minutes on each side, so 5 to 6 minutes for them to brown. And we're just going to cut them up in bite-sized pieces and just add them to our multi-bean soup, and it will be voila. So I'll come back for a taste test. All right, so we have added the Tofurky sausage, and we're going to add just a little more salt and pepper, as the sausage also has flavor, and some savory season. If you guys hear me talk about, I get this savory season. It's called So Good Savory Wellness Season, and I get it from back home in Maryville, Indiana, at a wellness center. So just sprinkle a little bit of that in. As we already added our different Cajun season that the beans cooked in overnight, and a little pepper, and just a little bit more sea salt, okay? And we're just gonna stir it all up. So a good multi-bean soup with sausage. And so I'm just gonna get a little bit and for tasting. And here we are. The beans are really good. They turned out really soft and moist. And the sausage really complements it. Makes me want to have some cornbread and crackers.
But this is a good winter savory soup. Really good. So just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou's. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.